Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the unique world of bodybuilding in industrial areas. It's a challenging environment, but with the right mindset and strategies, bodybuilders can thrive. Let's explore the challenges and opportunities of being a bodybuilder in an industrial setting. Navigating the world of bodybuilding in an industrial area presents a unique blend of challenges and opportunities. Amidst the urban landscape, bodybuilders face obstacles like limited access to clean environments for workouts and specialized nutrition. However, these settings often offer affordable gym facilities and a supportive community of fitness enthusiasts. Adaptable bodybuilders find innovative ways to train effectively and capitalize on the available resources, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and resilience in their fitness pursuits. Here's how being a bodybuilder in such an environment might affect your lifestyle. Challenges. 1. Limited green spaces. Industrial areas often lack parks or natural environments for outdoor workouts or cardio activities. Finding suitable spaces for jogging or outdoor exercises might be challenging. 2. Air quality. Industrial areas tend to have poorer air quality due to pollution, which can affect your respiratory health, especially during outdoor workouts. 3. Limited gym options. There might be fewer gyms, fitness centers, or specialized bodybuilding facilities in industrial areas, making it harder to find well-equipped places to train. 4. Noise and disturbance. Noise from industrial machinery can be a constant disturbance, affecting your ability to focus during workouts and rest, especially if you have irregular sleep patterns due to training schedules. 5. Work-life balance. If you work in the industrial sector, balancing long working hours with intensive training schedules can be challenging. Fatigue from work might affect the quality of your workouts. 6. Limited healthy food options. Industrial areas might have fewer healthy food choices, making it challenging to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet, essential for bodybuilders. Opportunities and strategies. 1. Home gym setup. Consider setting up a home gym with essential equipment. This provides convenience and ensures you can maintain your training regimen even if suitable gyms are scarce. 2. Indoor workouts. Focus on indoor workouts like weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and cardio routines that can be done within the confines of your home or a small indoor space. 3. Nutritional planning. Plan your meals carefully. Invest time in meal prep and find local markets or stores where you can source fresh, healthy ingredients. Consider consulting a nutritionist to create a meal plan tailored to your goals. 4. Air quality concerns. If air quality is a significant issue, invest in high-quality air purifiers for your home. Also, try to schedule outdoor workouts during times when pollution levels are lower, such as early mornings. 5. Community support. Look for online communities or social media groups where you can connect with fellow bodybuilders for advice, motivation, and support, especially if local support is lacking. 6. Adaptability. Be adaptable in your training routines. Sometimes, you might need to modify your workout plans based on the available resources and circumstances. Being flexible ensures you can continue training effectively. 7. Safety first. If working out outdoors, be cautious about your surroundings. Choose well-lit areas, avoid secluded places, and always let someone know your workout location and estimated return time. In the face of challenges, dedication, adaptability, and a proactive mindset are the keys to pursuing bodybuilding goals effectively, even in an industrial area. By remaining committed and flexible, individuals can overcome limitations, utilizing available resources and support networks to thrive in their fitness journey. This resilient approach empowers bodybuilders to transform obstacles into stepping stones, ultimately achieving their desired results regardless of the environment they are in. So, to all the bodybuilders out there in industrial zones, keep pushing, keep adapting, and keep thriving. Challenges might be a part of the journey, but they don't define it. Stay fierce, stay determined, and keep lifting. Until next time, stay strong and stay inspired.